Hi, Aaron. I can take a video.
That's my rocket ship.
That's a Daddy's
Rocket
new
ship.
rocket
My
ship.
rocket ship.
Daddy made that.
Open it.
Huh?
Open it. Is that my rocket ship? Give me another rocket ship.
You want to see the other one too? What you can play with this? This is the new one.
Give me another one.
You want to look at Daddy's new one?
Do I get another one?
Where's Daddy's new rocket ship?
There.
Yeah. You like the old rocket ship better?
On that rocket ship, that's what Dad said. It's really big. Don't just break that one.
Learning playground.
Those are two rocket ships. Those are two.
Yeah, the two.
Where's my rocket ship? This is a rocket ship too.
Yeah, is that Aaron's new rocket ship?
Yes. This is a rocket ship.
Which Aaron's new rocket ship? Which one's that?
We're there.
Where's Daddy's new rocket ship?
We're there.
Where's Daddy's old rocket ship?
We're there.
Where's Aaron's old rocket ship?
We're there.
Where's Aaron's old rocket ship?
We're there.
No. It's over there on the table.
I got it. There's a two of them. There's a two.
Can you get Daddy his new rocket ship?
That one?
No, Daddy's new one.
Oh, this one? This one?
Yes. Yeah.
It's pretty big.
It is pretty big. Let's see Daddy.
Let's just turn around.
It does turn. But Daddy tried to turn it. He only has one hand free. I turned it. Look at that. See the wings move. You want to turn it?
You turn it.
Oh, it's hard to turn. Turn. Oh.
I did it.
Oh, you pulled it off. It's okay.
That's okay.
You put on. You put on the end. Oh.
This is a little piece.
You put on right there. There you go. That's good.
Is this a rocket ship?
And if this opens up, they should open it with this.
You open it with that.
Yeah, if you lift it up higher. Oh. And open. Open up more. There we go. And there's little Luke Skywalker inside.
A walker inside.
Luke Skywalker. Say it.
Skywalker.
Yes. And there's R2-D2.
The two. Where's my another rocket ship? Does this fly?
That does fly. What is that?
A helicopter.
A helicopter. Yeah.
You see helicopters from the first sky.
Mhm.
See?
Okay, Aaron. Say bye-bye.